Good morning once again.
Morning, ma'am.
So let us continue with our data handling. Isn't
Ma'am,
it?
so we don't have seminar today.
Next period, second period.
Ma'am.
Second period. Okay. Okay. Are you ready, all of you, for seminar? Emmanuel, ready?
Ma'am, which of the students have seminar?
That they know. I already gave the topics. Okay. Emmanuel, ready, Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next period, last period we will do. Okay.
How many million? How many?
And all of you unmute. Freedy, I think
Yes, ma'am.
some unmute. Disturbance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't screen share.
What happened?
Ma'am, my web has some problem.
So how we will do? Do you have any whiteboard or anything is there?
No, ma'am, I can screen share. Sir.
Okay. You can screen share, isn't it? You can. You said it? You can screen
No,
share. So how we will take?
Ma'am, you have disabled screen share, right?
Ma'am, we can screen share
Yes. Children
like
can.
this. Like this. ma'am.
Yes. You can. You can. Okay. Okay, Manuel. Okay. I think we have some problem with the network. Okay, so that we will seminars we will do next period, that is second period. Now about our bar graph. Okay, all of you take page 70. We didn't complete that bar graph. Take page 70. Textbook. Yes. Page 70. Page 70. We just started. What is a bar graph? We have already studied about bar graph. Bar graph has uniform width and the gaps also of uniform width. Okay. And we can see a bar graph. I think somebody started with that. Who?
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, sir sent a message saying after 12 o'clock there won't be class because
not
teachers
there
have
won't be class. Not that. Okay. Okay, Faisan.
page number.
Read the first question, page 70, 70. Faisan, read first question of that bar graph.
Ma'am,
Bar graph.
a bar graph, a display of information.
No, okay, that we have discussed. What is a bar graph
Ma'am,
and all?
what is the information given by bar graph?
What is the information given in that bar graph?
Number of students.
Who said
Number
that?
of students studied over the academic years.
Okay, a number of students studied in the class 8. Okay, and second question, Gobika Shankar, read. Gobika, read second question.
In which year is the increase in the number of students maximum?
Maximum. Which year? Number of students.
Ma'am, that
Increase in the number of students is maximum. In which year?
2004 to 5.
2004 to 5. See, maximum number of students is in 2007 and 8, but increasing is 2004 to 2005. 2004 it is 100, only 100 students. But 2004 to 5, how many students are there in 2004 to 5? All of you look at the figure.
200.
2000, it is 200. So there are 100 students increased from 2004 to 2004-5 year. Is it clear, all of you, that question? Hashir, is it clear? Hashir, 2003 to 4, there are only 100 students. And 2004 to 5, 200 students. So increase in students is 100. But for other years, that is 2006, the increase is 50. 2006 to 7 also increase is 50. and 2007 to 8 increase is again 50. Okay, so all those years only 50 new students are joining the school, but from 2003 to 4 it is 100 and it is increased by 100 students. Number is increased by 100. So that 2004 to 5 the number of students become 200. So the question is, in which year the increase in the number of students maximum? So answer is, which year it is? 2004 to 5. Now next question. Harshil, can you hear me, Harshil? Read next question, Harshil. Read. Read.
Double bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously. It is useful for
Louder, Harshil. We can't hear you. Louder, louder. From where the sound is coming? From whose house this sound is coming? Is it from Harshil?
my
Okay, Harshil, read loudly. We can't hear you.
double bar graph. A bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously.
What I asked you read, Harshil, wait. I asked you to read third question. Third question means from bar graph, the third one. I saw you are not listening to my class. That's why I asked you to read. You are looking somewhere else.
Question only.
You are not reading the third question. Harshil, you are not reading the third question. Which was the third? Which was second question we discussed? Harshil,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshil, better you unmute. Because better you unmute Harshil. Very disturbance. Okay, okay. Nasrin.
Yes, ma'am. In which year is the number of students maximum? 2007 to 8.
2017. Which year the number of students maximum is 2007 to 8. Okay. Next one, Elsa.
State whether true or false. The number of students during 2005 to 2006 is twice that of 2003 and 2004. Well, that is false.
False. It's not twice. Only 50 students are increasing. It's false. Okay. So this is about bar graph. Bar graph, we are taking equal width, bars with equal width and gaps also will be equal. Now we are going to draw a bar graph. All of you take your graph book. Take your graph book, pen, pencil, not pen, pencil, scale.
I didn't get any notebook, so I don't have graph book.
Oh, so what we will do? You can buy from your stores. You can buy graph book. No, you will get graph book from your stores.
I'll buy, but then now I don't have.
Okay, no problem. Now you draw in your note itself. After that, buy a graph book from a store and you can copy it. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Others, take your graph book. Then write first question from page 71. Month, July, August, September, October, that question. First question. Try this. Under that, first question. Copy that question. We can write the question on the right side of the page. Left side, we will draw the graph. Okay. month July, August, September, October, November, December. Number of watches sold. That write the question. Write question on the right side of the page, and we will draw graph on the left side. Month July, August, September, October, November, December. Then draw line.
Page number.
Page
Page number.
Page number 71. Page number 71. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Draw x-axis and y-axis.
Ma'am, in 720, the first one we should draw.
Page number 73, the first one. Month,
70.
July, August, number of watches sold. That question. Understood? Which one? Hiba?
No, ma'am.
Hiba, page 71. Take page 71.
Okay.
Then you can see, try this. Did you see
Yes.
that? And under
ma'am.
that, first one, number of watches sold and month, that one.
Ma'am, questions we want to write in notebook.
Right side of the graph, right side of the graph. Not in notebook, right side of the graph. Right side, it was plain, no. Left side is graph page, right side is ruled paper, isn't it? There you can write the question. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After writing the question, draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Now on x-axis, we will take month.
The bag now without bag in the room. What's it in the room, doctor? Room.
July. Surja, mute your audio.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know when it got unmuted.
July, August. August, September, October, November, December. I'm taking two boxes as for first bar. This is July. I will use another color so that you can understand.
Ma'am.
I use this with
Ma'am,
July. Then
like all the months didn't come. Only July and A came.
July, August, September,
Ma'am.
October.
Ma'am, it didn't come. Okay, now it came. Ma'am, it was like slow, ma'am. It's not coming.
Okay. That's because of network. Maybe ours or your. I don't know.
Ma'am, it is 5.
Okay. Here I am choosing 4 bars, 2 boxes, gap 1. That you can choose. Gaps should be equal of width and bars also should be in equal width. I chosen 2 boxes for bars and 1 box for gap. Now, number of watches sold, maximum is 2,500, minimum is 500. So we will take 500. 500. This is 500. This is 1000. 1500. Here it is 2000. 2500. Y-axis. Number of students on y-axis.
Ma'am, it is not coming, ma'am.
It will come because of slow network. It will come. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, it's not coming in the board.
Can you
Now
see the
it
graph?
came.
Can you see the
Yes,
graph?
ma'am.
This is because of slow network. You wait. What about now? If that 2500 came?
Oh,
No,
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Some are
yes,
yes,
ma'am.
some are saying no.
Came.
No, ma'am.
Adilakshmi, why you are absent these days? 4 days you are absent. What happened?
Out of station, ma'am.
Why? Where do you went?
Ma'am, I will say that personally, ma'am.
Then the month of July, what is the number of watches sold? Number of watches sold in the month of July is 1000. 1000. Okay, so first bar, draw the first bar. July.
July
1000. July, it is 1000. Then gap. In the month of August, it is 1500. So next bar, 1500. 1500. Then September also. All of you unmute your audio.
Somebody is like talking gibberish.
Unmute your audio, all of you. September. You must use pencil to draw, or scale to draw. Okay. October 2000. October 2000. Oh, who's this?
So many people's video is awful.
Ma'am, it is journal.
Some kid is there near. Like that he is saying.
Ma'am,
I
it was
think
from journal's audio.
Jonal, are you there? Can you hear me, Jonal?
Yes, ma'am. That is by mistakenly. Ma'am, here construction is going on.
Are
so.
you
The
listening?
construction sound. So
Are
the
you listening the
construction
class?
sound is like that.
Afridi, stop. You do it. November
We
2000.
can't see the screen, ma'am. It's just showing Studio 13 has started screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am. It's like
It will come. It will come. Wait.
now it came.
Ma'am, it came, ma'am.
Slow, that's why. 1500 again.
ma'am, it not came for me.
It will come. Wait. Nasrin, what can you see now?
No, ma'am, I can't see.
Nothing is there.
Ma'am, it's showing this Studio 13 has started screen sharing.
It will come. It will come.
Yeah, ma'am, it came now.
Afridi, not Afridi, Nasrin. You can draw x-axis and y-axis like our that figure bar and
Yeah, ma'am, it came.
okay. Draw it. If you want, you can shade these bars.
Ma'am, I can see now.
Okay. All of you draw.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Me too.
Okay. X-axis, it is month. Here we can write month. Y-axis, number of watches sold. Number of watches sold. Number of watches sold. Is it over, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So now we are moving to our double bar graph. Okay. A double bar here, we are discussing only the number of watches sold in this month. We are discussing, or we are showing only one detail of that is number of watches sold. We are discussing about only one thing, one data. We are discussing, or we are representing, or we are showing only one data. What is the data? Number of watches sold in some months. Okay. Double bar graph. On double bar graph, we will show, or we will represent two data at a time. Double bar graph, we will represent two data at a time. Okay. So you can see in page number 70. Take all of you page number 70. Page 70, you can see a double bar graph. See, who will read? Google, read that double bar graph. Read that, a bar graph. Read it. Google, look here. Read. All are playing with someone. Google, can you hear me, Google? What are you doing there? Read. Unmute and read, Google. Google, where is he? Can I take test? No need, Google. No need to take test. Okay. You do one thing after this class. Call me. Is it clear? Google, switch on your video. No need to take text.
Ma'am.
Afridi, wait. Google, there is no need to take text. Okay. After the class, you call me. Do you know my number, Gokul? Huh? Gokul, do you know my number? No? So you can collect from someone, and just after this class, you have to call me. Is it clear, Gokul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, no need of Noor. It is not a graph paper, no. It is graph book, no. You can keep it with you. No need to take and paste on the notes. You have graph book. You can draw the graphs on graph book itself. Okay. Next, who can? Nagul, read. Wait, Ilsa. Nagul, read.
Double bar graph. A bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously.
Simultaneously together. Okay. Simultaneously. A bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously is called a bar graph. Okay. Then read.
It is useful for the comparison.
It is useful for the comparison of data. You can see that double bar graph. It shows what, Nagul? That figure shows what? What data it gives? Marks. Number of students during now. What was it shows? A double graph. You can see a double bar graph there under that heading. What it shows? Look at the figure. Marks obtained by a student. Marks obtained by a student. Mark on math, science, social science, English, and Hindi in two different years. 2005 to 6, academic year 2005 to 6, and academic year 2006 to 7. In two different years, the marks scored by a student is given. So the first for maths, the first bar shows the mark obtained during 2005-6, and the second bar shows the mark obtained by the same student during the year 6 to 7. Okay, that's about maths. So two bars together. There is no gap between those two bars. Okay, so max mark of both the years. The first double bars represents the mark obtained by the same student during 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7. After those two bars, there is a gap. After max, there can be a gap. Then social science. Social science, first bar shows mark obtained by the student in social science during the year 2005 to 6. Second bar during the year 6 to 7, mark obtained in the subject social science. Okay, by the same student. Next science, then English, then Hindi. Okay, so this is the way we are representing a double bar graph. It shows or it represents two data at the same time. Here the data is mark obtained by a student during two different years. Is it clear? Now Nagul, read the first question. What is the
information given by the double bar graph?
What is the information given by this double bar graph? It is the mark obtained by a student during the year 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7. You can write the answer in the textbook itself. It represents the marks obtained by a student during the years 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7 in different subjects.
What is the answer for first one?
First one, the graph shows or graph represents, right? The graph represents better you go, that's better. The graph represents marks obtained by a student, marks obtained by a student. Marks obtained by a student during the year 2005 to 6, 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7. 2006 to 7. Ms. Yad, read next question, Ms. Yad.
Can you tell one more time the graph represents the mark of
The graph represents the marks obtained by a student. The graph represents the mark obtained by a student. Obtained by a student. Wait, Ms. Yad, 1 second. Student during the year 2005 to 6 and 2006 to 7. Okay, Ms. Yad, read second one.
In which subject has the performance improved the most?
Look at the figure and say the answer, Ms. Yad. Only Ms. Yad.
Maths.
Max, yes. Max, the first year it is 30. And second year it increased to 60. So all other subjects already he has good mark. So increase is 5 or 10. And in English it is decreases. Hindi no change. Science and social.
Understand, ma'am. I didn't understand. Can you
Okay, look at the figure. Look at the figure. All of you look at the figure. In the first year, that is 2005 to 6, the mark obtained by the student is, what is the mark obtained by the student in the first year? 30. And second year it is increased to 60. So 30 is the difference. 30 mark increased. But for science and social, the first year it is 50, second year it is 55. Only 5 mark increased. Okay. But in English, 5 mark decreased. Hindi, there is no change in both the years. Is it clear? So the question is, in which subject has the performance improved the most? So the answer is?
Maths.
Maths. Okay. Afreen, next one. Why Effins, Shahan, Agash, Anna, Binu, Gauri, Nihan. Effins, switch on your video, all of you. Anna, read next one. Anna.
Now my video is on.
Now, okay.
In which subject has the performance deteriorated?
Deteriorated, that is decreased. In which subject has the performance deteriorated? Decreased. When it decreased? For which subject it is decreased? Anna, answer. Look at the graph and say in which subject the mark decreased, the performance deteriorated. It means performance decreased. In which subject, Anna?
Maths.
Maths, is it decreased? What is the max mark in the first year, Anna? Unmute and say 30 mark. And second year, unmute and say, Anna.
60%.
60. It's not percentage, it's a mark, not the percentage. Okay. And is it decreasing 30 to 60? So is that decreasing or increasing? The mark changes from 30 to
Science.
60. Science, what is the mark? Why you are always muting? First year it is
40 and second year it's coming 50.
Science, is it 40 first year? You can keep a scale to look. 50. Okay. 50 and second year it is?
And it's
Is it between
60.
Is it 60 or 55? It is between 50 and 60, no. Not 60. It's 55, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it increasing or decreasing? After first year, is his mark or her mark increases or decreases? And now?
It's increasing.
So my question, for which subject it is decreasing? Deteriorating means
English.
it is English. Yes. Here for English, it is decreasing. First, it is 55 mark. Then it is decreases to what? Decreases to 50. So the answer is English. In which subject has the performance deteriorated means the answer is English. Okay. Now, Nihan, read next. Nihan,
Yes, ma'am.
read next question.
In which subject is the performance at par?
At par. At par means there is no change. Equal. At par. When it
Ma'am,
is at par?
Hindi.
Hindi. Correct. It is the correct answer. So for the subject Hindi, there is no change for these 2 years. Okay. So this is about a bar graph. Now we are going to draw a double bar, not bar graph. It is double bar graph. Next, we will draw a double bar graph. Okay. Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take your graph book. Oh,
Ma'am.
time is up. My God. Our class is up
We
to
have
10:30
a-
only.
We have a continuous class now.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Next
another
is
point.
politics. Now it will start.
Okay. So, okay, we will wind up.